If you are an online store owner wondering how to attract more customers and increase product sales, this video is for you. What if you realize that the market abounds in various competitors, yet you want to make your brand stand out from the crowd? Considering investing in SEO for your e-commerce and improve your visibility. Every company dreams about success. Online store advertisements are a common thing, and it's best to benefit from each opportunity to conquer the market. The world is full of companies fighting for high positions. SEO is a step towards better brand recognition. It aims at improving your rankings in the search results. Surely you've been searching for a specific phrase on numerous occasions, and you've noticed that certain results are displayed much higher than others. This is because a given website takes advantage of all possible SEO activities. Algorithms match your search phrase to the most similar website content. This is where search results come from. Thanks to quality SEO, you can improve your brand recognition, attract new customers, and increase sales. Let's start with keyword research. If you are just taking first steps in the market, you need to be aware that benefiting from basic keywords won't allow you to outdo big companies such as Zalando or Amazon. If you run an online store with clothes, try to create more unique keywords that will reach your customers. If your offer includes sports t-shirts, group them into categories, specify types and fabrics, or activities they are dedicated to. Optimize your website according to Google's principles. Pages with numerous sub-pages should be properly balanced. Focus on elements that bring the greatest profits. Replace simple text with more sophisticated keywords and avoid duplicate content. Think about the layout of individual page elements. Use bullet points. Next, apply internal links and keep spaces between lines. All these elements can improve your positions in the search results and affect the way customers perceive your store. When developing your website, don't forget about users who prefer mobile devices other than computers. Benefit from responsive web design, which means that the page layout is automatically adjusted to the screen and device. Mobile phones are used by most people on a daily basis. Make sure that they don't have any problems with browsing your website. Responsive web design has a positive impact on Google SEO. Robots perceive responsive pages as more attractive. SEO is a set of optimization tasks that are supposed to promote your store. You can perform the activities on your own or hire a specialist. We suggest to check out our partner, LTB, offering custom SEO strategies and web development activities. For more information, visit Megamo.co.uk.